Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here today. I went to the local hobby shop and they had this there, the brand new 2020 Topps Archives baseball. I'm not a huge fan of Archives. I like Heritage, but not as into the Archive sets. But I try to open one every year. You get 2 on-card autos. Seems like you kind of get some goofy autos in these sets. So maybe I'll get lucky and get a really nice auto. I know I've bought blasters of this stuff and never done good out of blasters. So we will try a hobby box. Oh, you get a nickname mini poster. And there it is right there. Somebody in Chicago. Mr. Sunshine, Ernie Banks. That's like a box topper, little poster there. We'll set that back there. That's cool. He's in the forest there with some bears back there. Or I guess they're cubs. Alright, packs look interesting this year. Definitely very retro looking. Here's the pack odds. Let's see what we get and see what the cards look like. Alright, so there's a Zach Gallen. This is the 1974 Topps design. Pretty cool. Giancarlo Stanton. We got Brooks Robinson. We got Michael Baez rookie. Not sure what design that is. That's probably not a year that I was collecting much. Nico Horner rookie. Randy Johnson. Joey Votto and Juan Soto. Those are pretty nice looking cards there. So you get an assortment of different types of years, and of course the card backs in these are wonderful. Of course they mimic the original card backs. Very cool. Alright, let's see what we get in this pack. We got Anthony Rizzo, Rhys Hoskins, George Springer, Evan Longoria. We got Kevin Newman, John Schmaltz, Nick Senzel, and Matt Carpenter. We got Thurman Munson, Ken Griffey Jr., Paul Molitor, Ronald Acuna, Cole Calhoun, CC Sabathia, Albert Pujols, and Monty Irvin. Nelson Cruz, Dave Winfield, Sandy Alcantara, Andres Munoz rookie, got John Means rookie, all-star rookie, Miguel Cabrera, there's a rookie Aquino, and Tom Glavine. Javier Baez, Jesus Luzardo rookie, Tom Seaver, Eddie Rosario, Carlos Santana. Got Freddie Freeman purple. And we got JD Martinez and Jake Fraley. That's at a 175 on the Freeman. Purple parallel. Mauricio Dubon rookie, Justin Dunn rookie, Carter Kaboom, Anthony K rookie, Anthony Rendon. There's Nick Solak rookie. It's a type of insert there. Deion Sanders and Bo Bichette rookie. You're getting some nice rookies. Christian Walker, Danny Jansen, Trevor Hoffman, Harrison Bader, Garrett Cole, Gavin Lux rookie, Mookie Betts, and Kyle Lewis rookie. So getting all the good rookies. Well, we need Luis Robert. We got Ted Williams, Cal Ripken Jr., Ty Cobb, Andrew Jones, and Pedro Martinez. Robin Yount out of 75 red. It's pretty sweet. Got Hank Aaron and Larry Doby. There's the back of that one. So still looking for hit number 1, actually. We got Tony Gwynn, Bob Gibson, Lou Brock, Chris Sale, Robel Garcia rookie. We got Thor insert. That's pretty cool. Dylan Cease rookie, Tim Lincecum. Trey Mancini, Buster Posey, Chris Davis, Eugenio Suarez, Calvin Biggio, the conductor, Chris Sale, Ryan Sandberg, and Carl Yastrzemski. Be cool to pull Mike Yastrzemski auto out of this. He's having a really good year. Willie McCovey, Hyunjin Ryu, Corey Kluber, who for the Rangers this year pitched 1 inning before he blew out his shoulder. Ichiro, Juan Marichal, Hammer and Hank Aaron, Wade Boggs, Jim Thome. All right. Maybe all our hits are down at the bottom here. John Schmaltz, Daniel Vogelbach, Mike Moustakas, Chipper Jones, Ralph Kiner, the Millville Meteor, Mike Trout, insert. That's cool. Probably sleeve that one. Sean Murphy, Whit Merrifield. So these nickname cards must not be that rare, I don't think, because we've hit 3 of them now. 3 or 4. Next one. Nick Solak rookie. He's actually been a really good rookie this year. Not so good defensively, but good offense. Albert Alzolay, Anthony Santander, Raleigh Fingers, Lou Gehrig, a black Ralph Garr. Well, I guess it's just that year had a black border. Ralph Garr, outfield. Al Kaline, George Kell. See, I told you get some weird autos in this stuff. Not numbered or anything. Hit 75 home runs in his career for the Braves. Nice looking card. He's not a player I've really heard of, but definitely don't have his auto. Andrew Benintendi, Luis Robert. There you go. There's a rookie. Very good rookie. Cody Bellinger, Elvis Andrus, Yuli Gurriel, Nico Horner rookie, DJ LeMahieu, and Jorge Soler. I probably should have sleeved that Kyle Lewis. I'll do that after the video. I want to sleeve up this Luis Robert rookie. As awesome as Luis Robert is, Kyle Lewis actually putting up better numbers at this point of whenever I shot this video. Do not want to ding this corner here. The sleeve is not cooperating much with me. There we go. Alright, we got Tatis, having an amazing year. Eduardo Escobar, Aroldis Chapman, Jorge Polanco, Lourdes Gurriel, Bobby Bradley rookie, Catfish Hunter, Jordan Yamamoto rookie. Alright, so we got Glaber, Tony Gonzalez rookie, Chris Bryant, Austin Meadows, Andrelton Simmons, and Ray Durham is our second auto. On card. These are on-card autos at least here. Ray Durham, Seth Brown, Alex Young. Don't believe I have any Ray Durham autos in my collection. There's that one for White Sox. We got Fred McGriff, Larry Walker, David Wright, Adrian Morzone, Christian Yelich. And there's Jordan and Altuve. Gary Carter, Michael Brantley. Bobby Bradley rookie, Sheldon Neuse rookie, Yadier Molina, Reggie Jackson, Johnny Bench, Hoskins and Harper, Xander and Ozzie Albies. Clayton Kershaw, Mike Piazza, Michael Chavez, Wilson Contreras, Matt Olson, Bichette and Guerrero, Baby Blue Jays, Paul Goldschmidt, Matt Chapman. Mo Vaughn, Mike Clevenger, Jonathan Villar, Sterling Marte, Alan Trammell, Angels Elite, Trout and Ohtani. That's cool. Chu and Greinke. Oh, I'm out of sleeves. I'll sleeve that one after the video. We got Trevor Story, Dansby Swanson, Whitey Ford, Frank Thomas, A-Rod, Pete Alonso, Arenado, and Trout. Wait, here's his sleeve. Aha. That is a cool looking Mike Trout card. Jeff Bagwell, Willie Stargell. That old school Pirates uniform. Those crazy hats they wore back then. Andy Pettit, Logan Allen, Jordan Alvarez rookie, Tatis, Max Muncy, Malik Smith. We got Bo. Bo knows the baseball. Billy Williams, Jose Ramirez, Ryan McMahon, Jose Abreu, John Means, Lucas Giolito, Gary Sanchez. And the last of the packs. Frank Robinson, Randy Johnson, Orlando Cepeda, Honus Wagner, Juan Gonzalez, Juan Soto. He was selected by the Youth of America as All-Star Rookie Outfield. Jeff McNeil and Kyle Schwarber. So, pretty cool stuff. Got a Trout. We did get a Ray Durham on-card auto. Got a Luis Robert rookie. Looks pretty well centered there. We got a Ralph Garr auto. A Trout Meteor. And then a couple numbered cards. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.